Do you know why you wear a mask? Of course I do. I don't want to get infection. I don't want the coronavirus. Okay, well look at it this way. You might have the coronavirus and not even know it. So wearing a mask may protect other people from catching it from you by blocking your infected droplets from leaving your mouth and nose. The mask may protect you from others, with the exception of your eyes, but also it helps so that you're not touching your face with your hands that may have touched an infected surface. How do you put on your mask? Yeah, like this. You have to cover your mouth and nose. Like this. Hang on. So then, yeah, I had it right. The mask has two sides. There's a blue side and a white side. There's also a metal bar at the very top. That indicates top and bottom, okay? Blue side's on the outside, metal bar's on the top. You clean your hands before you handle your mask. Hold it by the ear straps, put it over your mouth and nose. Metal bar molds to your nose and cheekbones. Underneath, you pull and fit it under your chin. Thanks. Now I know how to wear my mask. Why didn't anyone ever tell me this before? It's amazing. Your mask is a barrier, right? It blocks coronavirus from getting to you by your nose and mouth, and it blocks potential coronavirus droplets from exiting. Therefore, there's coronavirus on this mask, inside or out. Never touch your mask by the face or inside. Always handle your mask by the ear loops or straps. Take it off carefully, being sure not to touch the outside, and then discard it in the trash. Once you do that, you sanitize your hands. Into the trash. Thank you so much.